Hey everyone, Jelisa here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Today we are doing a super duper fun dance workout to Lizzo's ultimate self-love song, Soulmate. This song is all about loving yourself and being in love with yourself and not letting anybody come for that. Okay, all right. Which is what I'm all about. I love it. It's super empowering and it's gonna be super fun. The song is relatively, the dance is relatively easy. It's not too much going on up in here, but there is a lot of twerking. Okay, so get ready because we about to twerk and we gonna have so much fun and it's gonna be great. So anyway, let's just get into the dance now. Oh, and be sure to tag me on Instagram at Jelisa Smith Coaching if you do this dance, okay? And if you love it and have a whole bunch of fun, I want you to dance in your mirror, dance in your living room, you know, shake a little something in the car, but be safe, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so now I'm gonna stop talking and we're really gonna get into the dance. All right, got my headphones in so I don't wake anybody up. So let's get
True story. No glory. Let's go. Yeah, the old me used to love a Gemini. Like a threesome, fucking with them every night. A lot of two-faced people show me both sides. So I figured out I gotta be my own type. They used to say to get a man, you had to know how to look. They used to say to keep a man, you had to know how to cook. But I'm solo and Soho, sipping soju in Malibu. It's I me, myself, kind of attitude. 'Cause I'm my own soulmate. I know how to love me. I know that I'm always gonna hold me down. Yeah, I'm my own soulmate. No, I'm never lonely. I know I'm a queen when I don't need no crown. Look up in the mirror like damn, she the one. Like damn, she the one. Bad bitch in the mirror like yeah, I'm in love. Like yeah, I'm in love. Look up in the mirror like damn. And she never tell me to exercise. We always get extra fries, and you know the sex is fire. And I gotta testify, I get flowers every Sunday. I'ma marry me one day. True love ain't something you can buy yourself.